Welcome to Trading Lounge and the US stocks for the 25th of June. It's Thursday, so we're going to cover Alibaba, Goldman's and Exxon. And starting with Exxon, it's in front of us here. So I'll just leave it really quite simple here. We've been looking for Exxon to have a corrective rally. I don't know why I've got, oh, there we go. Yeah, right, from wave 3, an A and a B and a C for wave 4 here. We noted that there was an impulse wave down here last time we spoke, so we put an order to sell here. So that order we're looking at, let me just put that in my spreadsheet, at 44.80, and we're putting the stop at 47.17 just up here, and we're going to be taking profit at 40 here. Now this market is expected to go lower, but I just want to check the bounce here and the wave structure that I'll be get here and so on. So I may change that. We may take 50% or something or other. I certainly want to be looking to add to that there as well. So we'll tune into that again. Yeah, so that's that. And the next one is Goldman's. So we'll be quite quick today. I don't want to do a whole lot of analysis, but for Goldman's here, once again, we're also looking at this move down through here and a corrective wave here. So we're looking for this to move lower. Now, I didn't want to short it above the level, the 200. So we waited for it to move below the 200. And then we can take a position. So we're taking position now on Goldman's at 197.96 and the stop is 207.17. So we'll just track this down. It looks like we've got down for one here. We don't need that stick there anymore. Yeah, so our target really is this low here at 186, 190 area here, but I'll just want to see how it opens up a little bit. It looks like we've got wave 1 here and 2 here, so that means that we should be seeing wave 3 a little bit longer here. We'll probably bounce off this trend line here and then have another dip here. So I just really want to see how this plays out here and if it picks up any speed to the downside here, because the move up here, we can count at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine. Get rid of that, and get rid of that. So we could also count as an A wave to here, a B wave to here, and a C wave to here, and it too could also come much lower than this here. But I can mention that, but I don't have any evidence of that, except that if this market moves down through the 61.8% from this move up here, which is really where we are here at the moment, I'll just move that across over here. Look, there's going to be a lot of support area through there for this, but let's just see, and this will be obviously in line with the S&P moving down as well. But yeah, look, there is potential for this to move further down here based on this being 3 waves up here. So yeah, banks like this whole, I mean, I'm from Australia and we've got the same, not the same pattern, but we've got 3 waves to the upside for our banks as well. So they're exposed to the economy, pretty severely in terms of real estate and loans and so on, and rent books and yada, yada, yada. So we'll just see how this travels first. Let's just see. I mean, this has moved, if this was an A wave and a B wave and a C wave, I mean, yes, we can count that as a B wave, but it's very much like a wave 2, a zigzag, very simple and very sharp, and it's covered the gap, so it doesn't really need to visit that again, not that that's the end of the world. So we'll just see how that plays out there. And also Alibaba. So we've had a bit of a long trade here for this. We've got, let me just check my spreadsheet here. So I've got 224 that we're along at, and and we've had the stop down here. But what I'm going to do now, because of this situation here, because of the markets being quite bearish, I mean, this still looks quite bullish to me and we shouldn't really get out, but because we're expecting that it has moved down, it has closed lower, and we're expecting further days of the S&P moving lower and the NASI and so on. So then the pressure can be on this as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to exit this trade at 226, wherever that is here. You can do, or close wherever that is. I'll just put 226 there. So we're just going to get out of this one. It's pretty much a break-even trade, but at least we just want to protect it, because you know there's dark clouds coming over and we need to look at that, and we'll be doing that with most of the other long stocks as well. So I'll be going through those, not right now, but a little bit later for those. Okay, well, that's just a short video today. I'm not going to go into the analysis of these stocks and this Alibaba count here. If this moves way down through here, then we've got a problem. I mean, this particular count anyway is a little bit dodgy as such. I mean, I'll look at that as 5 waves. I'll take that, but an A and a B and a C here, so that's cool. We do have an impulse wave here, and this is just not finished, so we should see further upside here. I mean, if you want to put the stop under that low there, that's not such a bad idea either. But I'll leave that to you. I just don't. It's just cleaning up any loose ends here, and we've started to move in on short positions. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. So okay, well, that's it. Just a short video today, just to clear those up, and I'll probably do another video later this afternoon and just look at the other long positions that we've got in the market as well. We need to tidy those up and maybe put in a few short positions. Alrighty, cheers.